Essex, and I am your network marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. Welcome to my channel. Our channel is all about giving reviews on company, tools, and products in our industry. We deal primarily with how to make money with network marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. Every day we give a review so that you can make a well-informed decision. If you are interested in any of these topics, feel free to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and also to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every day when we release our videos. With that being said, guys, let's get into today's review. Hello everyone. The company that we will be reviewing today is one of the flagship oldest companies in MLM party plans out there, and that's the company called Tupperware. Tupperware. This company is a 71-year-old company. So we're going to talk a little bit about today. Is it a scam or is it legit? Right now, you're looking at the Tupperware website. As I stated, the site here is very informative. So if you're interested in looking at Tupperware as buying their products and you want to know what their product line is in 2019, or you're interested in building a business, I would recommend for you to come and look at their corporate website at Tupperware.com to be able to make a good informed decision over a complete array of information. But we're going to give you a short cursory overview of the company, the products, and the opportunity. As I stated, we are looking at the corporate website. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the company. The company was started in 1948. The founder was Earl Tupper, and it was started in Massachusetts. Today, in 2019, the CEO is a Patricia Stitzel. Tupperware is a home product line that includes preparation, storage, and service products for the kitchen. Today, in 2019, the company is located in Orlando, Florida, and it has over a $26 billion yearly revenue. So, to answer your question, is it a scam or legit? Tupperware is a classic, long-standing, legit MLM party plan company. What I'd like to do now, we just told you a little bit about the history of Tupperware. What I'd like to do is show you some of the products that they have. They have the canisters products. They have products that you store your food in. And also now they also have tools and appliances that you can use. So they're known for their canisters and their storage. Now, what I'd like to do now is tell you a little bit about, if you're interested in looking at Tupperware as a business opportunity, Tupperware still is a good business opportunity to get in, even in 2019. So if you're looking at the Tupperware business, let's talk a little bit and show you a little bit about what it takes to get involved in Tupperware. You might ask yourself, why do you want to join Tupperware? Well, if you're interested in this company and product line, you will be glad to know that you make up to a 35% commission on what you sell. Plus, you'll receive opportunities to qualify for exclusive products, awards, trips, and cash bonuses. And they tell you that you can create your own schedule. So these are two of the reasons why people are interested in 2019 at looking at the Tupperware business. Now, what it takes to get started in Tupperware. Tupperware is a easy business to get started in. It's a low cost business. You can get involved with Tupperware for relatively only $70. Now, if you choose to enter into the business at this level, you will receive their holiday hustle kit. That's worth over $280. You're gonna get the tote bag. You're gonna get the 10 catalogs, 20 brochures, 50 order forms, and 3 months paid of my pro level Tupperware plan. The second way that you can get involved in their business, if you want to start with a little bit more product, is the $125 level. So with this level, you'll get basically what's shown in this picture here, and in this you'll get 10 catalogs, you get all the products that's above, 20 brochures, 50 order forms, 3 paid of the pro level My Tupperware plan. You'll be able to also be able to pay this in installments if you don't have the full $125. So roughly, to get involved with Tupperware, it's anywhere from $70 to $125. So that's relatively a low startup cost. Now let's talk a little bit about the type of earnings if you're interested in the business side. Here, according to Tupperware's website, they said that you get paid to party. They said as soon as you begin, you'll receive a 25% profit on your personal sales, with the opportunity to earn 35% when you meet your monthly sales quota. If you need a little bit of cash, they said just keep booking parties. So here, I'm glad that they have it in print. Their primary way to promote their product line is through home parties still, and this is what they have been doing since in the early 50s and after the 1948 development of the company. They said for throwing 3 parties, you'll roughly make $2,100 a week. 2 parties, $1,400, and 1 weekly party is $600. So you can make anywhere monthly from $2,100 to $600, and weekly anywhere from $125 to $375. Now, to look at a little bit at their compensation plan, this right here is a chart that you can find on their corporate website, and it explains in depth of their compensation plan. It looks like they have a unilevel compensation plan. They tell you from when you start at a consultant, you make 25%. Now, up here at the executive manager position, you're making 25% plus 4% as your team grows, and as you go up the compensation plan. 2-star director, you're making 25%. Then you're going to make 8.5% on your first generation. Then you're going to make 3% on your second generation. So you can make money from your downline. And when I say downline, that's the organization that you're building up underneath you. And you can make personal sales. So this right here is the 2 ways that you can make money with Tupperware. And again, I say if you're interested in learning more in depth about their compensation plan and their product line, so that you can make an informed decision if you are interested in getting involved with this company, I would suggest that you come to their corporate website. Now, at that point, I'd like to make a disclaimer that I am not a Tupperware distributor. I have used Tupperware products. I still use Tupperware products, so I am familiar with the company, and it is a rock-solid company with a good product. At this point in my review, I always talk about the pros and cons that I see in this type of business. With this company, it is a well-established company. It's been in existence for over 70 years. Founded in 1948. It has a very low entry cost, and it is a well-known name brand product that everybody has heard of, Tupperware. Now, some of the cons that I see in this type of business is that you do, as in any network marketing company, you have a monthly quota of products that you're going to have to buy or sell to stay active as a distributor. And the only real way that you can make money with this company is that you got to sell their products, and their products is the Tupperware product line, the canisters, and the storage. Now, as you see in their website, their primary way for you to grow your business is a party plan. And most network marketing companies, that's what they tell you, to contact your family and friends, throw parties, and you're going to be rich because everybody's going to get excited and signed up with you. Now, I've been involved in network marketing for numerous years. I struggled just like everybody else in the business. When you're getting started, you don't know. It took me about 5, 6, maybe almost 7 years before I even made any money. But once I learned the key to making money with network marketing, and that is not just your family and friends, because I've had family and friends join my business and they were about the first people to drop out, because at the beginning they're excited, they want to support you, but they're not really dedicated to the business like you are. And you're going to run out of those type of people. So the only way that you're going to be able to make money in Tupperware or any type of network marketing direct sales is that you're going to have to learn how to generate unlimited leads for free. And when I mean generate unlimited leads, I don't mean that everybody's going to sign up with your business, but as you bring in daily leads, you're going to have to be able to sift through those leads, because as you're taught in network marketing, some will, some won't, so what next? So if you're interested in learning how to build a network marketing business and get unlimited leads, if you want to learn how to build your Tupperware business and get unlimited leads, look at the link below and you will find a link that will show you how to get unlimited leads for free. And also, if you're interested in learning how to build your business and get leads through YouTube, I have a link below that shows you how you can build a YouTube channel to help you market your business and get daily leads. Well, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, we're coming to the end of the review of Tupperware, and what I'd like to do is state that I hope that you have found some type of value with this review. If you did get value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and also comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, because I do respond to all my comments and questions. And if you want to learn more again about my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below the video. Feel free to ask any questions and get back with me, because as I said earlier, I do respond to all my comments and questions. Well, with that being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Again, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification icon so that you will be notified when I release my daily videos. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, take care, have a great day, and I'll see you on my next review.